Nilungai laulao. Alai koso mai ale vai mai lalo. Transpiration pull, alai push aku kokongui ale vai. Through osmosis push. So always remember that. The guard cells, e mafua ona matsala le stomata, ona watele le vai i te tono guard cells. Ona matsala lo la io stomata. Ia ai halu I fafo le vai. Ai halu I fafo le vai. A umalo wa kaule ai se vai, ona toe puni lo la ia o le stomata. Inga ia mawhai o na whao ngā le vai, I le process na o le photosynthesis. So photosynthesis and transpiration, they work hand in hand. E lusi le vai, a lai replace atu lava le vai I le osmosis push and transpiration pull. So water is not lost consistently away. E umaloa alu ese ato le vai, la me tupula au. Ia, sa, e be, wa be le la, because there is no more water. So this is the importance of understanding the internal parts of the leaf. Bito lunga ngai aile, waxy cuticle, so you can see the I've aine foi laula be I ila be I ila bito lunga I se e ila e mawhai ona ta mawhai reflect akuai lea ave malolosi le la. Remember angale ele coating lea le waxy cuticle no winga makake lea le vai lusi. But leaves are trying to what? Are trying to hold on to the water. So that's why there's this glossy looking structure on the top of the leaf is your waxy cuticle, the upper epidermis. The top layer is called the palisade mesosphere layer. So palisade mesosphere layer. Lalo ese sing o le palisade, malalo I le spongy, o le palisade, e makwa kele ya le chloroplast. Why do you think e kele chloroplast inunga I? Anga fo I laka laka I lunga where the leaf is exposed to sunlight. Because I kongua I le chloroplast, like kupuai, the process na le photosynthesis. So photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast. That's why most of the chloroplasts are on the top part of the leaf. E pizzo lai lunga le chloroplast, ai pizzo I lala stomata. I say because the stomata lai lusi le vai. Anga whaapi e piko I lunga le stomata I la meku. E expose ai le stomata I le sunlight. Ma vave fu le lusi le vai. Menga e piko e le stomata, ai pizzo I lunga ia le chloroplast. I kako spongy, now you can see the difference. E vava mamao chloroplast ai kele foi areas for gas exchange. So they are not as compacted as palisade mesosphere layer. O for the spongy layer, la yai for le vascular bundle. In the vascular bundle, nga yai tissues nga lua, o le phloem male xylem. Remember the difference between the two? Phloem is the tissue that transports food or minerals. Ale xylem, they transport the water. Water. So, I normally, when I was a student, the way that I normally identify the different parts in order for me to remember, so just like the one I've given on the board, Willie cats wa e pasi mai sa moe lalo e stoma. Willie cats wa e pasi mai sa moe lalo e stoma. So willy cats is your waxy cuticle. Ua e is your upper epidermis. Pasi mai is your palisade mesosphere layer. Sa moe is your spongy mesosphere layer. Lalo e, which is your lower epidermis. And stoma is your stomata. So always remember the difference between stoma and stomata. Ole stomata be a plural, wa kelengi openings, olong sa unga longa ole stomata. A tasi ole stoma. But stoma and stomata are the same thing. But ese senga, plural was stomata, singular was stoma. So these are the different parts, the internal parts of a leaf. Matsa mai lunga le rexicuticle, upper epidermis, e tau mai lava ile lower epidermis. And remember the connection? We always go back to our photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process which carbon dioxide and water, with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, produce glucose and oxygen. O le tau wa tele lava na o le nei le songa. Ia tato malam la mai I le taua o leaves in the process of photosynthesis. Without leaves, there will be no oxygen because plants give us oxygen and we give the plants carbon dioxide, which is a raw material for photosynthesis. So always remember the difference between the two, the difference between the upper epidermis and the lower epidermis, what is included, o le ese singa o le palisade, ma le spongy, e whai ngō whia ngai malama pa e manatua I al tato tauloto. E mua lunga I palisade mesophilea, o le leia tonua na, o lo o tele mana noa ai le chloroplast, o le pito I lalo, le spongy mesophil, e whale iai se chloroplast. So always remember, students, you can use my method, whaisitau loto, wili cat, ua e pasi mai, sa moe lalo e doma. In order for you to remember, it e ngakanga remember the different parts. I remember for ele different functions. Chloroplast, or the function of a chloroplast, it is a site of stomata, o le avanoa na e lusi e le vai, it is controlled by the guard cells. Longa winga, a le matsala le guard cells, e le mawhai o na avanoa le stomata. O le tau watele lava na, ai wā na avanoa, wā una matsala I le stomata, because o le turgidity o le leaf. Turgidity meaning wa ova le vai, be watele na wā le vai, I te tonu o le laula au. O na matsala lola ia o le stomata. And the loss of water is called, yes, the process of transpiration. So transpiration is a process where water is lost from the plants. So there you have it, boys and girls. That's our lesson for today. Hopefully that you have learned the different types of leaf structure, or the venations of the leaves, which are network and parallel. The different types of roots, which are fibrous and taproots. Hopefully that you have also learned and remembered the different types of, yes, the parts of the internal parts of the leaf. He a matsa mai lunga I le waxicuticle, upper epidermis, se ho'o mai lava I le lower epidermis, la ia ele tatou guard cells and stomata. So hopefully that you have learned and remembered all of these key ideas and also these key concepts within our biology lesson for plants. Until next time, so far so far.